Chocolate begins far from the factory, on tropical farms where cacao trees thrive in heat, shade, and moisture.
Each cacao pod grows attached to the tree itself, maturing over months before harvest.
Only fully mature pods are selected, ensuring optimal flavor precursors inside the beans.
Harvesting is precise. Clean cuts prevent damage and allow future growth cycles.
Fresh pods are gathered quickly to preserve internal quality and prevent spoilage.
Inside each pod, cocoa beans are encased in sweet pulp, the foundation of chocolate flavor. Beans are extracted immediately, as timing influences fermentation chemistry.
Early sorting eliminates defects before the beans leave the farm.
Fresh beans are held briefly, allowing natural sugars to activate microbial processes.
At this point, cocoa beans are ready to begin transformation, moving from raw harvest toward chocolate.
Beans are transferred into fermentation boxes, where natural heat and microbes begin reshaping flavor.
Within hours, fermentation starts, breaking down pulp sugars and triggering chemical change. Temperature rises naturally, killing the seed embryo and unlocking chocolate aroma compounds.
Beans are turned regularly to ensure even fermentation and oxygen exposure.
After several days, fermentation is complete and flavor foundations are set. Fermented beans are dried to reduce moisture and stabilize quality.
Timing is critical. Over or under fermentation directly affects final taste.
Drying lowers moisture to safe storage levels, preventing mold growth.
A second sorting ensures only properly fermented and dried beans move forward. Now stable and preserved, cocoa beans are prepared for transport to the factory. Dried cocoa beans are consolidated, palletized, and prepared for long-distance transport.
Beans travel from farms to ports, protected from moisture and contamination.
At the port, cocoa is containerized to maintain consistency during transit.
Cocoa beans cross oceans, connecting tropical farms with industrial chocolate factories.
Upon arrival, shipments enter the factory supply chain.
Incoming cocoa is checked for damage, moisture, and transport integrity.
Representative samples are taken to evaluate internal quality. Each batch is logged, ensuring full traceability from farm to factory. Approved beans move into controlled storage, awaiting processing.
Before processing begins, cocoa beans enter rigorous quality control.
Before processing, cocoa beans are mechanically cleaned to eliminate foreign particles. Sensitive detectors identify and remove any metallic contaminants. Uniform bean size ensures consistent roasting and flavor development.
Random samples are analyzed for color, aroma, and internal structure.
Precise moisture levels are confirmed before heat processing begins.
Once approved, beans are fed into industrial roasters. Roasting intensifies flavor, carefully controlled by time and temperature. During roasting, signature chocolate aromas are released. Roasted cocoa beans now move toward transformation into chocolate.
Roasted beans are cracked open to separate the edible core from the shell.
Winnowing removes shells, leaving pure cocoa nibs behind.
Only clean, uniform nibs proceed further into processing.
Grinding releases cocoa butter, transforming nibs into cocoa liquor.
Particle size is reduced, creating a smooth, uniform mass.
Some liquor is pressed to separate cocoa butter from cocoa solids.
Ingredients are blended precisely to achieve the desired chocolate profile. Refining rollers further reduce particle size for smooth texture.
Conching develops flavor and removes unwanted acidity. Conching develops flavor and removes unwanted acidity.
At this stage, chocolate achieves its final taste and consistency.
Before shaping, chocolate is carefully tempered to stabilize cocoa butter crystals. Controlled heating and cooling create the shine and snap of finished chocolate.
Tempered chocolate is deposited into molds with high precision.
Vibration ensures uniform shape and flawless appearance.
Gradual cooling